Today is Monday, August 26th. This is a 1964 to 1970 Cadillac dual manifold power servo unit. The unit has been rebuilt for my friend Pamela at Belmont in Long Beach, California. The unit is connected to a vacuum pump, and I'm going to go ahead and apply vacuum. And we can see how the unit retracts, and we've applied 10 pounds of pressure. Okay, no more than that. That's the maximum. And then I'll go ahead and I'll release. And the unit goes back into its static position. This vacuum actuation feature and the tail is what positions the opening and closing and positioning of the baffle door for the air distribution box, and the multi-port vacuum actuators control manifolds. That is, the multi-port vacuum manifolds support various different functions such as bi-level defrost, low heat, etc. and etc. front and back. So this is a 1964 to 1970 dual manifold rebuilt power servo unit for my friends at Belmont in Long Beach, California. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac, and I have over 250,000 Cadillac items overall, and I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, power mechanisms, steering columns, and these power servo vacuum actuators. Today is Monday, August 26th. Thank you very kindly.